Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to generate passive income or extra money. Please do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. While we all have some extra time, it often doesn't feel like it, but it also doesn't take too much effort to make some extra dough on the side. We are not talking about millions upon millions here. We are mostly talking about doing small. We are mostly talking about doing small projects to generate some fast cash. And depending on your skill set, you could easily make a few $100 or even a few extra thousand per month. The number one way is become a virtual assistant. One simple way to make money from home is to help others complete tasks as a virtual assistant. If you are highly organized and can properly manage your time, then becoming a virtual assistant presents a low friction entry point into the digital services industry. You can easily perform these functions as a remote worker. Finding work as a virtual assistant can be easily done through sites like Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.com. Number 2, sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown significantly since its inception. Today, it's a vast marketplace where you can sell just about anything under the sun. This is great if you are looking to make money online as a digital nomad. What specifically can you sell on Fiverr? Anything from graphics and design services to digital marketing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services and lifestyle services. That includes anything from celebrity impression to gaming. Number 3, create online courses. One of my absolute favorite ways to make extra money from home is to create online courses. Now, this does take on upfront investment of time, but as any other passive income generating activity, you do the work once and get paid repeatedly for it. Take whatever skill you have and find a way to build a course around it. Use sites like Udemy, Anchor, Teachable to build these courses, then begin marketing. Number 4, create a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the best ways to raise money from the comfort of your home. You can actually start creating videos with your smartphone. Choose a particular theme for your channel. This will serve as your niche. YouTube can actually pay you more than you think. The good thing about this is that you can do it anywhere, anytime. Once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you will be monetized and you start earning money. The unique side of this is that it can grow to be a full-time business without stress. Number 5, be committed to just one of these great ideas that we have mentioned above for at least 3 months and you will start reaping. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video on how